Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is time for the February Boxycharm unboxing. Be my Glamentine? Oh, that's so lame. Okay, so first thing is Ace Beauty Glow Essentials Highlighter Palette. $40. I mean, it's pretty. Sorry it's so dark in here. I mean, it feels nice. Sure. It's okay. I wouldn't spend $40 on that, but that's just me. Next we have this Teamy Blends Green Tea Detox Mask. Why does it say $29.99? That's weird. Look at how green. That actually smells super good. I might want to try that. Lava Beauty Flirty Lash Set. It's $54. You get the instructions, glue. What is the glue? Where is it literally? The lash tweezers and a pair of lashes. Look at those, man. That's gorgeous. I really want to try those. You get the Elamasca Hydra setting spray, $26. Jesus. It's alright. It's really strong. And then last but not least, the Estate Cosmetics Precision Felt Tip Liquid Liner. Not. Ugh. $12. That is the cheapest thing in this whole box, okay? Ooh, it's felt tip and black. And dries really matte. It's really nice. Ooh, I don't like how it dries down though. It's very stiff. But it is nice. It's nice. I think I'm going to give it to my mom, though, because I don't need it. I am going to keep the Glow Essentials Highlighter for my actual makeup kit. The lashes, the spray, and I think I'm going to share this mask with my sister, because she likes doing masks. But, yeah. That was my variation of February's Boxycharm base box. I know normally I'll put the stuff on, but I mean, I don't want to. I just got home from school and had to open a lot of packages, so yeah, I just don't want to do it today. Sorry guys. This may either be its own video or part of a vlog. I don't know. It's probably going to be super short. Yeah, I'm already only at 3 minutes, so yeah, this is definitely going to be part of a vlog. So stay tuned for the rest of that. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Sorry it's kind of dark. For some reason, my light is coming on. Wow, that looks even worse. Well, yeah, I just thought I'd vlog a little. I need to get better at this. It's sad when I have so many things I'm passionate about that I can't ever seem to... How do I put this? Get the gumption, maybe? I don't know. Wow, I look ridiculous for this angle. We need to fix it. Okay, let's try this angle. It's a little better. Headaches still going strong. Well, not today. I actually haven't had a headache all today. Mostly because I've had these glasses off for the most part. I went to the eye doctor. America's Best, Memphis. Hit them up. They're good. Super nice. I was in and out within an hour. Like, contacts, everything ordered, done. In an hour. All the exams, all of it. In an hour. Done, gone. And I was a new patient. So, yeah. That's pretty dang good. Be prepared to drop some coins. Unfortunately, it ain't cheap being blind, which is some baloney. Please forgive me in this light, y'all. Hold on, let me see if I can make it a little better. Oh, do we have something going here? Okay. look more like my mom this way. Well, oh well. It's bound to happen sometime, right? Yeah, this is the first time you guys are seeing me without my top dentures in. Figured it's a vlog. Might as well be raw and unedited. Yeah, I think that's, and you'll hear my fan in the background because fat girls get hot. But yeah, I don't know, I always feel like I have to get dressed up to vlog and stuff, and I don't do that every day. Who does that? I wish I had the will to stick to a routine and everything, and I just don't know how. But yeah, how are you guys doing? We are in the process of paying off debt, saving, and living life. Like, we are enjoying life. It's been really great. It's been really, really great. My cat is so weird. This is Nova. She's just the weirdest cat ever. Hi, baby. How you doing? Oh, come here. Oh, you might hear NCIS New Orleans in the background. I do not own the rights to this music. If you even come for me, it is an amazing show. Ugh, I gotta color my hair. Now that my head has stopped hurting, I need to fix this blondness that I still have going on and get it to my root color, which is my natural color, so that when it grows out, there's not much noticeable difference like there is right now, because I look ridiculous right now. But yeah, I will be taking a hair coloring class, still taking the makeup class, and the lash course. But the lash course is harder for me because my hands are bad. Like, my nerves are really, really bad. I shake constantly, which is weird because I love doing nails and that requires a steady hand. But yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. I have so much to tell you guys, and I'm so excited. I want to thank those who have stuck through with me this far. I didn't think I'd ever start making YouTube videos. I've dreamed of doing this since, I'd always, talk to myself like I was on a TV show, so this was the natural next step, right? Yeah. Also, can we talk about, like, the price of vision and dental and health being the dumbest shit ever? Like, why? Why do we have to pay for that stuff? We didn't ask to be sick or blind or deaf or toothless. Like, we didn't ask for this. Why do we have to pay for it? It's very annoying and expensive. I want to remodel a house, or like demolish it and just start all over with my husband. I think that would be awesome. But I love our house. Like, this is our house, our first house together, and I love it. It's cute. I love that it's in the country. We have one kooky neighbor. She's pretty funny. Other than that, I mean, when you live in the country, you realize people's true, like, your true pecking order in people's lives if you live in the country, because it's not a, oh, let's hop in the car and go 10 minutes down the road to Sally's house. This is we're going to drive an hour or so more and spend the day there and then drive the hour or so back home. Like, people get busy. Adult life is it is hard. Like, Jesus, it is so hard. I don't know why I keep looking at my dresser. I'm thinking, ugh, I want a new dresser so bad. But, oh well. That's not the point. I'm so easily distracted. Ugh. Uh, I don't know, man. But I do think it sometimes brings people closer together. Like, one of my best friends and we've been best friends for 10 years, maybe? Or more? God, I don't know. 10 or less, maybe more, I don't know. And she lives damn near 2 hours away. Whole another state. And we don't get to see each other as often as we used to. But, I mean, we still make the effort, when we can. I mean, we both get busy. She has 4 kids, I have 3. And our schedules are different, so, like, different school districts, different vacation days, or school vacation days and shit like that. So, I mean, you just gotta make the effort to make people a priority in your life. Because you never know what someone's going through. They could be happy-go-lucky one day, and then the next they're gone. I mean, you just really never know what someone is really going through. And, I mean, growing up, I was always the one who confronted the bullies, or, so I've told myself all these years. I don't remember, honestly. I remember beating up one little boy because he was choking my best friend or some crap like that. I don't know. He was hitting her or something, and I beat him up. But my brain makes up its own dialogue. And now I've just been through so much, and it's made me so, not hard or tough or anything like that. It's just so emotionless to where I just react. I don't even give it time to process or anything. I just react. It's just all I've always done. It's all I know, and it's taken me a long time to, like, come to terms with my own emotions and how to process them and stuff. And I'm still learning. I'm learning me every day. I think that's the real story of life, is you never know who you truly are, because, I mean, you're constantly changing, evolving, growing as a person into who you are meant to be. So, take it easy on people, okay? You never know. You really never know what people are going through. Sorry for all the long pauses. I'm just here. And I'm exhausted. But this is me, guys. Kirsten, Gail, Sharp. Soon to be licensed master cosmetologist, certified makeup artist, certified lash technician. I also have a braiding certification. I love braiding hair. Like, that is, I don't know, something about the whole, like, process is so, like, soothing to me. Like, I can zone out sitting there braiding. Oh, and a Yoni Steam certification. I really need to look more into that one so that I can start, like, actually getting clients for that, because I think natural, holistic health and services are very important. The less chemicals we can possibly prevent from going in our body, the better. But yeah, I got lots of ideas coming. I don't even know what this vlog started out to be about. I don't know. I ordered Girl Scout cookies from Sarah Ray Vargas's daughter, Nala. I remember when Girl Scout cookies was like $3 a box. Now they're $5 and I wanted to cry. But I think I got free shipping, so that's all that matters. And I want my tag-alongs, dang it. Like, I need some tag-alongs. Yeah, I know. Trust me. I know I'm an unhealthy person. I know. But I have started taking a B12 vitamin. I am wanting to research more vitamins and stuff. I'll be honest, I'm lazy. I'm the world's worst procrastinator. And I have a bad attitude. I don't like being told what to do. I don't like any of that. I don't know. I got a lot to work on myself. Maybe these rambling, crazy middle of the night vlogs will help be my therapy in some way. I don't know. We'll find out, won't we? Alright guys, I'm gonna sign off. The lighting in this video, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna try and fix it. We'll see how that goes. Y'all know I'm not no tech genius, but yeah. Here's looking at you, kid. Just kidding. I don't even know what movie that's from. But yeah. I want you guys to stay safe out there. Wear your mask, wash your hands. Oh, I got some badass hand sanitizer that smells divine that I will talk about in the next vlog. I'm going to talk about, I'm going to make a newfound love of products video. Yeah, and then I have a launch happening. I'm excited. I can't wait for you guys to see it. But I will sign off and talk to you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.